How to redeem secret codes in Clash Royale. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to redeem secret codes in Clash Royale for exclusive rewards. So first, you need to go ahead and launch the Clash Royale application on your mobile device. And also make sure that the Clash Royale account is linked to a Supercell ID. Once you're in the homepage, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on Supercell ID and log in or create a Supercell ID if you haven't already. Then after, go to store.supercell.com. You will come to this kind of interface. Scroll down and tap on Clash Royale Store. This will take you to the page of Clash Royale Store, where you need to simply scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you will see the option of Redeem a Code Store. Enter the code. Then after entering the code, tap on submit and you should unlock the prize according to your code. Claim it and then return to your Clash Royale and you'll find your new emote or anything that you have redeemed. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.